Before you buy this Samsung SSD, there is one thing you should know about the installation process. This is the Samsung 870 QVO, and it is a 2.5-inch solid-state disk. Many PC cases, like mine, do not have a native 2.5-inch bay for mounting drives. Rather, you have the standard 3.5-inch bays. In order to mount a 2.5-inch disk into a 3.5-inch bay, you will need a mounting bracket like this one. But this model from Samsung does not come with this bracket included in the box. The bracket that I'm using here came with an older version of a Samsung SSD that I bought almost 10 years ago. That's how long I've been using Samsung SSDs. So when you buy this Samsung SSD, make sure that you have either a native 2.5-inch bay or one of these brackets. Once you've secured the drive into your PC case, installation is easy. Begin by plugging the SATA data cable from your motherboard and then plug in the SATA power cable from your power supply. Both of the cables attach easily to the back of the drive. You should not have to use any force. If you feel some resistance, make sure that you're using the right type of cable and it is in the correct orientation. I've been very pleased with the performance of the 870 QVO, and I would happily recommend this Samsung SSD. Learn more about pricing and availability with the link in the description below the video. Another great tool is this multi-card reader from SanDisk. Click or tap the screen right here to watch my full video. Thank you for watching Markus Presents.